Hello guys, this is my first video, so I'm gonna teach you about the bug colored bug share base something. Uh, so what you're gonna do first, we had we open the yeah. This is my first video, so I got a little bit nervous, and we're gonna fight first and see. Let it go. Well, I know some of you already got the Shika, but some of you didn't. So I'm gonna teach them about the hack, the bug. Yeah, the bug. Just wait, and I kill them. And let me kill this fucking bitch. So first, share share the post, and then open the SMS, the event, and select any boss you want and battle. I'm just gonna show you how to make it in your dummy, because I don't have any dummies, any useful dummies. What the fuck? And die. So share the materials and make it costume, and make only me. If in your dummy have many friends and you don't want them to take it, share. So we have here, just go open activity logs. If you can't find in the at the wall, you can find it in here and highlight it, and now you can see it in your wall. So guys, I hope you all enjoy the hack, enjoy the bug. And I'm sorry, my voice and my English a little bit sucks, but yeah, enjoy and goodbye.